Hey, it's Thursday night, but for me it's actually Friday night because I don't go in the office on Friday and Saturday, so it's my Friday night. And you know what's the best thing for a preacher? It's when you get to your Friday night and you know you've got everything done for Sunday, and Sunday's going to be really good. So let me tell you about it. In our Bible study, we're going to be in Romans chapter 13. We're going to talk about one of the most important ideas that we can come up with in terms of how congregations get together. We're going to talk about submitting to one another in love. This is a theme that Paul talks about for about 2 or 3 chapters, right around chapters 13, 14, 15. So go start reading in chapter 13 and we'll talk about that in Bible study at 10 o'clock. Then when we get to the sermon title is actually The Math of God. Get it? It's usually the wrath of God. This is the math of God. I have an equation that you need to know if you're ever going to get anything done in God's kingdom with God's plans. You need to know this equation, and most people don't. So, most of our trouble comes from doing the wrong equation. I'll give you the right one. The math of God is our sermon on Sunday morning. And then on Sunday night, we're going to continue our lessons for leaders, and we're going to talk about our approach to life. I'm going to generalize a little bit and give you 4 different ways people approach their life, 3 of which don't work very well, and 1 of which Jesus modeled for us. So we're going to show them to you, give you some examples of each from Scripture, and then encourage us to move toward what Jesus would like us to be. As I said, I'm really excited about Sunday morning. I think it's going to be great. Hope you're around to share some of it with us.